Hi, my name is Craig Kusanoki. I'm a community ambassador for the Harbor Gateway North community. Today I'm going to talk you through the MyLA311 app and show you how to use it. Okay, so the first step is you want to load the app onto your cell phone. So it's the MyLA311 app, and it can be used if you're in the boundaries of the Harbor Gateway North community. Okay, so the first step once you open the MyLA311 app is to create a service request. And some of the categories are bulky items, graffiti removal, and illegal dumping pickup. Lights out under an underpass if there's overflowing trash bins in the community. There's quite a few categories that you can report on this MyLA311 app. Or after you hit the graffiti removal, it's going to ask for the location, some details. You could put a comment, and you could even put a photo. That's optional. But the details would be: is it in an alley? Is it on a wall? So once you hit submit, you're going to get a confirmation that request has gone through, and you also can look it up later to see if your request has been finished. The person or persons that come out, they're called GAP, G-A-P, and we've met some of them while we've been driving around the community looking for graffiti, and we like to thank them when we see them doing their job. They're very efficient. Like I said, just this morning I reported a graffiti removal, and I checked about an hour later and it was already removed. So this is a very efficient process for graffiti removal. As an alternative to using the MyLA311 app, you can also call 311, or you can email 311@lacity.org. But if you decide to call, it would have to be within the boundaries of the Harbor Gateway North city boundaries.